Start first by uploading your PCB. If you click at this icon, you will see all the file types that SIwave can support, especially IPC2581 and ODB++. Then click on this icon, SIwave Wizard, and go to DCIR drop analysis. Select which power plane or RF line you want to analyze. You can do more than one. Select to add a voltage source, current source, any of these two. So I will put a voltage source at the VRM and a current source at the CPU. You can change the value. These are the numbers that will be used for all the frequencies. Do configure, validate, everything is okay, say okay. Then you close this dialog box. I can activate my power plane, highlight the 1.2 volt. So I can add probes, voltage probe. You click here, for example, and you can select this one. Voltage probe 1, another one here. Then you go to simulation, compute frequency sweep, select your band and the number of frequencies, and select to display the field between VCC and the ground layers, and launch. We have a solution. Click here, and now you can plot the probe voltages, the ones that we assigned. You can plot magnitude, plot. Electronic desktop will open, and now you can see the results. You can also plot the field, and you can animate for all the frequencies.